Did you know that you can also do a perfect temperature measuring on shiny blank metal surfaces with the Optris cameras and pyrometers? Shiny surfaces, for example aluminium, steel or other metal surfaces, have often a very low emissivity because of the high reflection. A correct temperature measuring is nearly not possible because you are receiving only the radiation of objects which are located in the ambient and which are reflecting on your material. This gives you a wrong temperature measuring. So for those cases, you can use an emissivity dot. These dots have a perfect precise emissivity of 0.95 and can be used in ambient temperatures up to 380 degrees C. Stick the dot on your to-measured object, set the emissivity value at the Optris pyrometer in the electronic box or via the software on your PC to 0.95. For the Optris IR cameras, you can use the software to set the emissivity to 0.95. Now you can measure on the emissivity dot and you will get the correct precise target temperature.